cluttered closet is a cluttered mind. So today we are clearing both. How many of you have a closet full of clothes but just keep thinking or saying, I have nothing to wear? Today we're fixing that together because that is your sign that you need to do a closet clean out. I find myself having a hard time choosing outfits nowadays because I feel like none of the clothes I have really represent the style I want, and I think I'm getting a little bit too used to thinking I need a new outfit for every occasion. Let me tell you, that's not how we need to be thinking. The reason you need to clean out your closet and also just minimize the clothes you have in general is, first of all, clean and organized closets reduce stress. When you have less choice, it's so much easier to make a decision. So that's going to be the same thing for clothes. The less clothes you have, the easier it is to put together an outfit and find more outfit combos to wear. And I mean, that's just going to make your life more time effective too. It's really going to help you focus on pieces that truly reflect your style. I've recently found out that when I find a really good outfit, I prefer wearing that same outfit over and over again instead of trying to make a new outfit every day just because I don't want to wear the same thing, because then when I do that, I feel like my outfits don't look as good and I feel way less confident because I'm like, I don't love my outfit. And even though you're wearing the same thing over and over again, different people are seeing it. You might wear that outfit once to go to work, then another time you're wearing it out to have a coffee with a friend. So maybe you feel like you're wearing it all the time, but people aren't gonna notice, honestly. Let me know how often you do closet cleanouts. I think the method I'm doing today is whatever I don't take off the hangers is stuff that I'm keeping, and whatever I'm donating or selling, I'll put it in piles. By the end of the video, I'll show you everything that I'm getting rid of, okay? So stay tuned.
Cleaning out your closet is not the easiest task, but Marie Kondo created this method where you hold up an item and you ask yourself, does it truly spark joy? And if it does, then keep it, and if it doesn't, do not. But also think if you wear it often or not. If you have, for example, emotional attachment to certain things and you're struggling to let go of an item because maybe it was part of a special event in your life, try to think about different things like recognizing the attachments, which is totally normal, but remind yourself that it's not the item that holds the value, it's the memories or experiences associated with it. Create a memory box with those items maybe, set a time to think about it, like give yourself a week to sit with the thought of that item and whether it's truly worth keeping. Also, make sure to check if it fits, the functionality of it, and seasonality. Whatever clothes you have that are not in season, simply put them away if you have the space. Also, don't forget, you do not need to limit yourself to a specific aesthetic or look.
This is my little pile of clothes that I've worn, but I feel like they're not dirty. So like they don't need to go to the wash yet. I can always wear them again. But I don't know why I don't want to put them back where they're supposed to be, because I need to have them separated from my like clean clothes. Do you also do that? Or is it just me? Am I weird? I don't know. I think all my mini skirts that are here in the middle, I kind of need to put them in my summer boxes because I don't really know what they're doing here. So the next question you might ask yourself is, but how do I let go? Let me tell you. The easiest way to do this is to break down things into categories. Walk through your tops, bottoms, t-shirts, outerwear, accessories, shoes, bags, whatever it is you want to go through first. You don't have to do everything at once either. And then start by just making different piles. Keep, donate, sell. And if you don't want to sell, just donate everything, of course. But there's always a way to recycle textiles and clothes. Even if they're not wearable anymore, you can still give away textiles so that they can be reused in some way. Do not throw away anything in the bin, please. This is the issue. Why do I have 3 of the same exact tops? Now, as you may or may not know, my closet is not only limited to this gigantic wardrobe. My clothes can also be found under my TV and under my bed. We need to go through those areas too. The things under my bed I cleared out really not long ago, except for this last drawer. So I think this is what we really need to go through, because there's both sweaters and my sports stuff. So it's more like my sports stuff that I really need to go through a little bit. Let's get straight into it. I'm like so not bothered to go through what's under my bed, because it's actually only my bags. It's a lot of bags and other random stuff apparently too. Oh my gosh, this is my graduation hat. It's so dirty, ew. And also memories. Anyways, that was not what I was trying to do right now. Honestly, I love bags, so I'm gonna keep literally everything. Yeah, I think it's my smaller bags though. My smaller bags, I do need to get rid of a few. I don't even know where to start. Cute, but I never ever wear it. Just gonna go. This one is just like whatever. This Uniqlo bag I got for free from Uniqlo because I was at a job interview thing, or like a group assessment thing, and I got first place in the quiz that they made for us that day and stuff. Guess who didn't get the job? Got rid of 2 bags. Well, I have bags up here too, but I also love them all. A comment I got on my last video was, it's so unsatisfying that all your hangers are different. I know, that is really unsatisfying for me too. So I'm gonna try and change that today. Oh, also, I just have one singular item in my maybe pile. What do we think of this shirt? It's cropped, light blue. It's like very cropped though. No, I think I'm gonna keep it. Hangers will all be the same in 3, 2, 1. I literally don't remember what position I was in, so this is the reveal. We do have a few imposters on this side, but it's way better than before. Like, this is so satisfying. Are you kidding me? I even did a little color coordination, of course. This is like my hoodies basically, and then here too, and my pants and skirts. I took away all my mini skirts. So now, how do you curate your ideal wardrobe? Because this video is not about getting rid of stuff so you can get lots of new stuff. That's not really the point I'm trying to get at here. You do not need to overbuy. Think way more about quality over quantity. So when you buy something, you're buying it because you want to keep it for years in your closet, and your motivation for purchase should not be like, oh, it was on sale, it like didn't cost anything, I just had to get it. No, it should be more about the material, or how it fits on you, or the style. That's what you should be looking for, not a cheap price. If you often struggle with having an overflowing closet, I suggest you try the 1 in, 1 out method, which is basically, if you buy a new item of clothing, one thing that's currently in your wardrobe needs to leave. It needs to be donated or sold, whatever, but you need to let go of one piece then. This kind of keeps your wardrobe downsized, decluttered for sure. And I think that's also how you can really achieve your preferred style, is by like, okay, you found a piece that you think suits your style so well, you can get rid of another piece in your closet that you already have that maybe you tried but you weren't loving it. You give it away. Let me know if you have like a wardrobe staple that you think you're gonna keep forever. Let me know in the comments down below. Let's go through some of the stuff that I'm getting rid of, and this is gonna be more like the stuff that I'm selling, because the other things that I'm donating, we don't need to talk about those. We have these white cargo pants. They're from Bershka, and there was a while where I was really into cargo pants, so I have a black pair too. These I thrifted. And then I have these like parachute pants, which was kind of in the same era. Not at all my style anymore. These red pants, they're cool, but clearly I'm not wearing them, so I'm not keeping them. Natasha from the future here, I might have ended up keeping like 3 or 4 of those things that I said I was getting rid of. For example, the red trousers. But they look so much better on now, I swear. I have a little set with a pair of pink shorts. It's definitely more summery. I still have the tag on it, so yeah, I haven't worn it. It's all made out of linen too. Great for summer, but not great for me. These bags we already talked about. I really hope they serve someone else a purpose though. I think I got this shirt during COVID. I wanted to get like something more professional, but guess what? I've never worn it. This top, I think I maybe washed it once and it became small, or I bought it like this and I just thought that it would be more loose, but it's not, so yeah. Okay, this shirt, honestly nothing wrong with it, but I kept my like 3 other white shirts so I could at least get rid of one because I don't need 3 of the exact same looking shirts. Also getting rid of some graphic tees. This one, I wore it so much. This one too, it's quite cool. And I got rid of some other graphic tees too, but my brother wanted them, so I gave them to him. And then lastly, this kind of mock neck shirt. I also have worn it quite a lot of times a few years ago though. Like now I literally haven't worn it for years, but I remember it being super warm. So great for the winter. But I don't know, it's not my vibe anymore. We are done with the closet declutter. I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling so good. I only just need to, you know, take pictures of all the things that I'm selling and upload them, which always takes so long. But I'm telling myself that if I don't get these things sold within 1 month, I'm just gonna donate them, because or else they're just gonna be taking up space in the house like for no reason. If they don't get sold, they just need to leave my house. I hope you enjoyed decluttering with me. Let me know if you're gonna do a closet clean out anytime soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!